Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2016 Lexus RX 350. This vehicle comes in a gray exterior color, 3M protection on the hood, front bumper, side mirror, and handle grips. This vehicle is a 4-door sport utility, seats 5 in a black interior color. This vehicle carries a 3.5-liter V6 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drivetrain. Making our way into the front of the vehicle now, you have your blind spot indicator on your side mirror. 3 memory seat options up at the top, power folding side mirrors, and power windows. You have a nice big speaker down at the bottom. Storage compartment that pops open a little bit more for your cups. Door panels made up of a black leather with a wood grain insert. Both front seats are powered in a perforated black leather. You have lumbar support and seat adjustment. On the interior, you have your heated steering. You have your 360-degree camera view as well as your heads-up display. Black leather-wrap steering wheel. You have your menu selection as well as your voice recognition. Right-hand side, you have your lane departure as well as gap adjustment. Menu selection on the top. Cruise control is the third lever down at the bottom right. This vehicle is push to start, foot down on the brake. Analog front dash with a digital centerpiece. Heads-up display comes on when the vehicle's running. Backup camera with guidelines. As well, when you push that camera view button, it gives you a 3D print of your surroundings. This vehicle comes with AM FM radio with satellite. You have a CD player, USB, iPod capability, Bluetooth and auxiliary. All of your menu and infotainment buttons are just to your hand here. This vehicle comes with navigation. You can adjust your climate control from the push of a button. You have your Bluetooth screen as well. Underneath you have your CD player. Nice clock. Manual climate control options with heated side mirror. Down underneath you have your wireless phone charging, as well as your heated and air-cooled front seats. Auto hold buttons with your emergency brake. Black leather wrap gear shifter. You have your cup holder with adjustable sizing. You push the button for it to pop back up. Drive mode selector for your eco, normal, and sport. All-wheel drive lock with your traction control. You have your enter button on the side here. Storage compartment for your phone, as well as a nice big center console. You have your USB and auxiliary ports, extra power banks, rear view mirror. Up top you have your sunroof and moonroof controls. You have sensor overhead lighting, so there's no buttons. Sunglass compartment. You have your illuminated vanity mirror and sun visor. Same with the passenger side. Handle grips on either side of the vehicle. Nice dual sunroof stretching to the rear seats. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle now, we'll start off with the 20-inch Lexus rims on winter tires. Color matched side mirror with an integrated turn signal and a side view camera. Keyless entry, color matched handle grip. You have your gas tank. Chrome badging along the vehicle. Dual exhaust with rear parking sensors. Tow hitch with a backup camera and rear wiper blade. Powered trunk. Carpeted rear trunk space with a carpeted and all-weather rubber cargo liner protection. Rubber protection against the rear seats. You have a full set of carpeted mats. You have your cargo shade, pulls out. Power folding rear seats just to the right. You can also fold them back up. Power button up the top right. Making our way into the rear of the vehicle now, you have your black leather door panel with a wood grain insert, two small speakers, one at the top and one down at the bottom with your storage compartment. You have a sunshade for the rear seats. Black leather rear seats. You have your power folding button down at the bottom. Rear seat folds down. Gives you a storage compartment as well as two cup holders, as well as an armrest. Heated rear seat controls with power banks, air vents, and storage compartment. Leather magazine holder at the rear of both front seats. Access to the dual sunroof with overhead lighting and handle grips. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber mats. Finishing up with the right-hand side, you have the shark fin antenna just at the rear. Chrome trim around the windows. LED headlights with front parking sensors and a front camera. Block heater with your black grille. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta, over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.